Hello, kids. Let's follow Henny the hen on the farm. Let's go.
Cluck, 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 it's time to play. Henny the hen says hi today. She's got feathers soft and white, and she wakes the farm with morning light. Peck, peck, peck on the ground. Look at all the seeds she found. Henny pecks from side to side, learning what good hens can find. Sit, 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 soft and warm. Henny's nest is safe from harm. Crack, 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 what do you see? Henny lays an egg, 1, 2, 3. Tap, 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 the farmer's here. Good job, Henny, loud and clear. He gives a hug and pats her head. You laid eggs, the farmer said. Run, 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 across the land. Henny plays with all her friends. Piglet, cow, and chicks all cheer. Fun with friends is best right here. Cluck, 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 it's time to rest. Henny snuggles in her nest. Thanks for learning farm today. We'll sing and learn more every day.
Thanks for watching, friends. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome songs. See you next time. Bye-bye.